Hey everybody, I want to talk to you about the giveaway from last week. I want to announce the winner. Thanks for engaging in the last video and our last emailer, and going ahead and engaging in the giveaway. And somebody's going to win a sewing machine and a free lesson to go ahead and learn how to use that sewing machine. Coming up on Tuesday and Wednesday this next week is our soft open for our Loveland new store in Loveland, and we're doing a giveaway each day on Tuesday and Wednesday. Every hour we're giving away a sewing machine, we're giving away a vacuum cleaner, and we're giving away a lot of fun sewing merchandise, as well as some vacuum stuff too for your floor care. So some really good floor care stuff, some stain remover, some good stuff for your house to use in your home for you and your family. So we want to go ahead and announce the winner. So come Tuesday the 13th and 14th, 5:30 North Garfield in Loveland, Colorado. Come visit us, come check out the new store, come have a fun time at the party. We've got 2 charity groups sewing in the classroom both days. Days for Girls, a great organization that's helping women in other countries. We're trying to help them. We're sewing some projects to help them with hygiene and then sending them over there. It's a great organization. Come and help out, come learn more about it, and do some fun sewing with us at the same time. And also Rare Bear, which is a great charity organization. Check out Rare Bear. We'll put some hyperlinks for those two nonprofits in the emailer, so you can check those out. We're going to sew teddy bears to give to sick children in hospitals, so they have something to comfort them, and make a fun project at the same time, both days. So feel free to come down and enjoy the fun. Make some fun projects. We've got some make-and takes. We're going to be making little Valentines Day charms, like some little embroidered lace hearts and some heart charms that you can come and make with us and sew. And then we're going to go ahead, you can just take it, give it to your sweetie pie for Valentine's Day. Both days, we're also giving away 40 gift bags at this store. And in addition to that, we're giving away 20 gift bags in the other locations. So if you go to our Boulder location, go to our Cheyenne location, go to the Casper location, we haven't forgot about you guys. The first 20 people in the door are getting a gift bag, a Valentine's Day themed gift bag that's worth $50. There's a $50 value on it, so don't miss out. Make sure you get your gift bag. Come to the Loveland location. We're giving away 40 of them, and the gift bag's a little bit better. There's some bonus stuff in there for you. Right now on our Facebook event, we've got about 60 people coming that have RSVP'd. So the earlier you show up on Tuesday, the more chance you're going to get to win a $50 plus value gift bag in that giveaway. So come join the party, come meet us. We'd love to see you. We're really happy to be here in Northern Colorado. We have our centralized service center here. So if you have a sewing machine, a vacuum that needs service, come visit us here. You can always bring it to the other shops, of course, but if you come here to Loveland, we've got some specials on the 13th and 14th on service. If you want to bring your machine in, we're giving $10 off any service that's checked in on that day, so go ahead and bring it down. So the winner of the sewing machine from the last emailer is PB68368, is the email address. We're going to go ahead and hit you with an email. You can come down and pick up your machine, or we can get it to a shop where you're located if you're at one of our other stores. We want to train you on how to use it. We're going to give you the machine. It's been fully serviced. We actually guarantee it for you for a year. That solid state Singer sewing machine. It's a heavy duty machine. It's about a $300 value in the machine and the service and the classes that we're going to give you for free. Thanks for enjoying the emailer. Thanks for engaging in it. All right? Okay, so one last thing. I almost forgot. Maybe it's all the snow outside right now slowing me down because of the cold, but we still have another giveaway in this email. We are giving away another sewing machine. You do have to reply to this email with the secret phrase so that we can go ahead and enter you into the drawing, just like the person that won the sewing machine last week that we're giving away. So we're going to go ahead and be giving away another Brother serger machine. It's a 4-thread overlock. Okay, so it's a Brother lock. It is a secondhand machine. It's been totally refurbished. Really good quality machine. All metal parts on the inside. We guarantee it for a year. We're going to give you a free lesson on how to use it, so you can learn about a serger sewing machine. You just have to reply to this email with the code word Brother Serger. That's it. Just reply to the email with Brother Serger, and it has to be to our email that this comes out from, okay? So subscribe to our emailer so you can get these giveaways. Follow us on Facebook where we do giveaways for sharing and liking posts as well. You know, we're always trying to reward people for engaging and trying to spark everybody's creativity and teach them new things like how to use a serger machine. You could win. This giveaway is probably about a $400 value for a serger class, the machine itself, the service to refurbish it and guarantee it for a year. We're going to hook you up. So reply to the email with Brother Serger and you could win. Thanks for opening the email.